Do you ever struggle with getting your ideas across in an often complex and competitive landscape? Maybe you're a leader in a tech industry, dealing with tech that's very intangible, and you're presenting to investors who are dealing with information overload. We found that when you take your ideas and turn it into a picture or a series of simple diagrams, that helps to simplify complexity, that helps your ideas to stand out through an emotional connection, and it creates something that's tangible that your client or investor can bring back and share with the people that weren't there in the meeting. Research tells us that through something called dual coding, you can have more connection, more retention, and more comprehension with words and pictures together. There was this one time we were working with a husband and wife couple, and we taught them these ideas. They were preparing for a big presentation. They turned their presentation into a giant storyboard, and they had big wall-sized boards, and they had smaller tiles, A3 and A4, and on each of those tiles they drew a diagram and then a key phrase that represented a milestone or a key performance indicator as part of their pitch. And they brought their client in, they walked them through, they were moving things around and creating the solutions together. And at the end, they said, our ideas weren't the most original and we didn't have the best price point, but they won, multi-million dollars worth of work and 6 months of work because the client said, you put in all this work, it looked like you knew what you were talking about. We knew that we would trust you and that you would take care of us. Plus, we were co-creating the solution together. So if you have an important presentation coming up, we invite you to turn your pitch into a picture. And if you're in Hong Kong on Friday, July 7th, we're going to be doing a special 2-hour lunch and learn session with my friend and award-winning executive presence coach, Tracy Ho. So Tracy Ho is a marketing and branding specialist who's done a lot of work with tech and startups. And we're going to be teaching you how to organize your pitch and how to turn your pitch into a compelling visual story with some of these techniques we're talking about. So here's the thing, Hong Kong is a place going through lots of transitions. So how can you organize your idea to make a difference in, to your team, to your organization? So we look forward to the opportunity to join us and share these tools with you and help you to get your idea across the line. Thanks for watching, and remember, every drawing is a gift.